Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I'm trying something different here for my workout purposes, man. I got a MP3 player. This one has 8 gigs built in, and it's got 128 gig card you can expand. We can take up to 128 gig card. Let's crack it open here. Going to the gym, sometimes I don't want to take my phone in the gym, and this is so small. This will definitely work. It's just an MP3 player. It's got FM radio, and I believe it plays video also. Not that I'll be using it for video, but let's take a look. So it gives you a set of headphones. Not that I'll ever use them, but it's like a nice little cheap set of headphones. It's fine. You get a charging cable. It has a clip on it too. Comes in 2 colors. I got the blue one. It's very lightweight, man. But this has Bluetooth 4.0, so that's the reason that, you know, I'm fine with using this little one right here. So there's the SD card slot right there, and very thin, you know, cheap plastic feel to it, but it's an MP3 player with 8 gigs built in, and I know that's more than enough. These headphones are cool and everything, but I'm going to use Bluetooth, and I'm going to tell you how it does with Bluetooth as well. Little micro USB charging cable. You get some instruction manuals. I'll probably go ahead and take a look at these instruction manuals because I don't want to mess this up. So I'm going to load up some music, and I am going to the gym tonight, so this will kind of probably be a 2-part video where I actually let's zoom in a little bit. Where I actually you know, come back and tell you you know, how it is. So let's see if I can get some power, if it has a little bit of power. Let me get a power bank here and just plug it in. Sorry for being out of focus. Alright, so let's see here. Alright, so it got a little bit of power there. So instantly it comes on and you get to choose your language. And so there it is. It looks like it's already fully charged. So let me give it a little bit of juice just to see. So it's charging there. But it looks like it's already charged. You can scan across with this, and this is recordings, music, FM radio, pictures, ebooks, tools. Let's go into tools here. It's got calendar, stopwatch, and alarm. That's pretty cool. You can go to settings. You got a sleep timer. Let's go to display here. Backlight. It's cranked all the way up. There we go. That's cool for me. Backlight time 30 seconds. Screensaver is got on here. Digital clock. Okay, so that's cool. This little back button here. You've got date and time. Time set. There we go. Set time. It is 5:30. So let's get in here and set the time. A little finicky on this. Alright, so that's how you do it. Alright. Let me go right here. Let's set it a little bit faster than the original time here. There we go. So we'll back out. Oops, let's go to date settings. Date format. Let's go to month, day, and year. Let's set the date. And it is July 13th, 2018. Alright, so that's all set. And you got other information here. We've got, let's go down to memory. Should have 8 gigs storage on this little thing here. Flash up. Okay, so 7,868. Okay, so that's cool. Alright. System information, it kind of lets you know here the date it was manufactured, it looks like. Wow, that goes away quick. Version, firmware version. You can format the device. You can go to default settings. So that's it, man. This is going to be pretty nice. You got folder view. There's Bluetooth, and I'm definitely going to hook this to Bluetooth and let you know how it is. I'm going to load up some music on it also though. And so you'll kind of get like a two-part video, I guess. Or maybe I'll, if you see more on this, just keep watching right now. But if not, stay tuned for an official review of this thing. And I'll tell you how it actually does with Bluetooth and also how it sounds plugged in. And I'll get some music loaded on here, so that's pretty cool. Got a pedometer too, nice. That way I can check my history here. Oh, yeah, we don't want to do that. Let's stop it. I wish it started on its own, but looks like it doesn't. So there you have it. So I'll set up the Bluetooth, and you know, we'll get it. Sorry if I was out of focus a little bit there, guys. But I'll get it all set up, and we'll see how this thing works. It's your man Jay Will, little MP3 player for myself. Take care. All right, guys, welcome to the second part of this video. Wow. This thing is absolutely great. I mean, I can't tell you enough how nice this is. It's later in the day, so if you watched the first part of this video, the unboxing portion, this is the report back. This thing is so small, man. I mean, it's little. This is a little MP3 player, and I gotta tell you, man, I'm actually impressed. The sound quality that comes from this little MP3 player is crazy. Now I tried plugging in some headphones and also did Bluetooth. So first, now you guys have never seen these before, but these are my $300 Sony headphones. These headphones cost 300 bucks, right? I plugged them in. I never review these, you know. I don't review everything that I get for myself, but these are my $300 Sony headphones. These headphones sound awesome plugged into this little MP3 player. I kid you not. These sound fantastic plugged into this little bitty MP3 player. It's not that it's a small size, it's just that how do they get the sound quality out of here to run so nicely with my very expensive Sony headphones. Now, I told you I was gonna test Bluetooth. I have a lot of Bluetooth headphones, but I have Ghost Tech So Drops Pros right here, and these sounded amazing over Bluetooth with this little MP3 player. So these are about just under 200, and those Sonys are $299. This little thing right here did a fantastic job at producing some great sound with both of my tests on the headphones. I am more than satisfied with this little Bluetooth, with this little MP3 player. Not a lot of MP3 players have Bluetooth at these little bargain prices. I mean, but this thing is awesome. I kid you not. I was actually kind of surprised. I was actually really skeptical too. I was like, this thing isn't going to sound good, but I stand corrected. This thing is awesome. I did get this in for review, and I have other MP3 players and stuff like that, but this one is my new favorite. If you don't want to, I mean, you don't understand how small this thing is. Here's my microphone. One of my microphones, look how small that is. And this is a small microphone. Here's one of my watches, right? Look at this. Ego Nation, if you didn't know. Yes, all over the place. That's just crazy how nice and compact this thing is, and it gives some killer sound. It has a headphone jack, and it's Bluetooth, and it takes up to 128 gig SD card. That's awesome, folks. So I wanted to give you a real world test with this thing. It is awesome. I will have a link in the description for you to check it out if you want to. It's great. I don't know what else to say. I would recommend it. So I don't get any kind of kickbacks, or I don't get any kind of money for you buying this if you choose to buy it, but some things I recommend to you, I'm going to tell you that this is awesome. So if you're looking for a really, it comes in a gray and black too. Kind of wish I had got the gray and black, but the blue is nice. The blue and black is nice because it's so small. You can barely even see this thing. But it's nice, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.